Hi guys, Trisha here from Decisive Designs Table and More Solutions, bringing you this beautiful blue and white tablescape with these gorgeous yellow blooms. Gorgeous. I just want to show you this beautiful antique or maybe vintage napkin, that really pretty design on it. Have the shades of blue as well. I'm going to show you this gorgeous round salad plate, and it's from the seller white ware. I like the size on them. They're bigger than usual, if you can see it. Beautiful. And then this gorgeous plate, it has this, I would say, deep rim, and that tiny blue line, navy blue line around it. And then at the end, it's double. If you can see it, there's a blue line and then white, and then they finish it with a nice line blue, deep blue. I like it. It's gorgeous. And then these are from Densk. There you go. It is gorgeous. I like the design. Now, when you have a deep rim like this, I like a plate that falls. See that? It kind of is a little bit rounded with a little bit of depth. And I like when I do plates like that, something falls within that rim or that depth, so that when you see the plate together, it's nice and flat, like it was made to fit in that groove. I like that. Sometimes I have to be careful when using different plates. If they're not all flat, I have a hard time sometimes finding something to fit in that groove, and I'm going to show you an example. And this is the same one, and you see how that is flush to that plate, right? It The salad plate and the dinner plate, it makes kind of one because it fits in that groove. And I'm gonna go over here because I only have 4 of those. And you see that? That is not the right size for this plate. So that's a perfect example. So when you're choosing a salad plate, make sure you choose something that fits exactly within that depth or height, right? And it goes, but see, there's a difference. That is flush, and that has a little movement to it. But all in all, they go together. Now, this one is from Pier 1. And that's the thing. When you get different, the same plate but different brand, sometimes they're a little different in terms of how they fit to another dinner plate. That's why people like me, I love getting the same thing and the same plate for a cohesive design. But not always you're going to have the exact things. Sometimes we have to substitute something for it, especially to show people that they don't have to match everything or get the same brand. You can get different brands that works, but You have to make sure it works for you before you take it away or buy it. But yeah, that is beautiful. And what I did tonight, I added these teal utensils, which really brightens the table. Also, it's a little bit of surprise as well on the color, but the teals and blues go together. So I have these gorgeous vase, and I have one yellow bloom in each of them, which is really nice. And then I have this almost kind of like modern candle holder. You don't really see them often, but that is really cool. Look at that. Has three legs to it. And I have one on either side of the end of the centerpiece. I still have this nice blue denim or cotton blue runner that really parts the table, divide the table really nicely. It just says that, the center is only for these beautiful vases and, like, don't touch it. It's like, don't touch. That's, something different. That's not the food. So that's what a runner does sometimes. So this beautiful basin with this vase, I love it. And I love the beauty that the sunflower gives. I was thinking, should I use sunflower because it's not fall? But I'm like, you know what? I wanted the yellow on this color blue to really highlight the table. And that's exactly what I did. And then I used these plain glasses stemware that picks up on. See, they pick up on anything that is around them, the blues, the yellows. So get some of that. It's really easy on the eye too, and you're gonna find yourself using those stemware all the time. And I just want to go around the table one more time. Let's try and use a different zoom. That is too much. All right. So we're going to use this zoom, and I'm going to show you these beautiful. And then I use these beautiful silver charger. Again, I didn't use a placemat because I want it to be clean. Sometimes I want a lot of different texture and layer, but sometimes it's good for it to be just nice and clean and easy. You don't have to pull out everything. You can just pull out a couple of things and it's okay. And it works together. So all these colors works together well. If you add that nice blue with the teal in anything, it looks good. It might be a little bit loud for some people, but it will work together. Especially if you add white to it. So make sure you pull out your white stuff. So yeah, this is it. I want to come up a little closer on these. That's how that face is. It has this cool modern look to it. I like that. I like that. I love those two candle holders. It just brings back that white from the center. It like it's pulling from the center, but it just brings it back. I like that. Especially when you have this pretty gorgeous blue right beside it. It's gorgeous. There you go. That's it. This one was really made because I had a tablescape on this base, and all I did was change it up a little bit and add these things to it, and that was it. That was it. So, guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe. And I want to thank you so very much for stopping by. Let me know in the comments below your question, your thoughts, your ideas. And also, these are available for sale. I have a TikTok shop. If you go on TikTok or message me, I will let you know in the comments below where to go to purchase them. Okay? Thank you. Thank you so very much again. Peace.